Good morning, healing friends. This is the 8th day of the galactic activation portals from the Mayan calendar. And so today is Monday, then the 9th will be tomorrow, the 10th day will be Wednesday. So that'll complete this 10 days of galactic activation portals, in which one can make massive changes energetically in their DNA. This is the activation of our genetic potential that's taking place. And so there's today, tomorrow, and Wednesday of the 10 days of these galactic activation portals. This morning, when I woke up, I did my breath work, which is inhaling into the chest, and then at the end, the abdomen, and then exhaling from the bottom of the spine as if you're squeezing a toothpaste tube, and then you squeeze the breath out from the bottom up until you've squeezed it out. And then you inhale into the chest, and at the end into the abdomen, and then you exhale, squeezing the breath out from the lower back until it's fully expelled. I did my breathing exercises, and then I did my yoga postures for the low back, increasing the core level strength of my spine, creating more strength in my spine so that I have less tendency to re-injure an old injury from 2002, where I made the mistake of listening to a friend of mine who was helping me with something and lifting a dishwasher out of a box, bent forward, and injured my lower back. And I've worked with it carefully over the past, well, 2000, maybe it was closer to, well, maybe it was closer to 2004, because I was putting it in just before I was moving into another house a block away. So this was 2004, so it's been 20 years. And so I'm working to really heal it on a very deep level. One way to allow these things to heal is through sound. And so if you'll just state these words with me: I connect to my deep self. Notice what happens when you say that. I connect to my higher self. Connect to my highest self. I ground myself to the healing center of the earth. I open myself to the healing power of the One. I release anything no longer useful to me now. I choose to work with the Hathors. Hathors are seventh dimensional beings who work with vibration and sound to assist you through this process that we're going through of an elevation of the energies of the earth, therefore an elevation of our energies, causing our bodies to detox, to change, to release toxins in the body, to change our way of thinking, to really, it's been a 28-year process that we've been going through, and this is the final 5 months. So if it seems a bit intense to you, as it does to me, do your best. Just, that's all we can do. 4 agreements. Be impeccable with your word. Do your best. Don't take it personally. And don't assume. So just do your best. That's all we can do during these times of massive, rapid change. Okay, so that this video doesn't become excessively long, we're going to start off. The Hathors are going to make sounds through me. Some of the sounds my body has a little difficulty making, but over time it gets better at it. You can allow the Hathors to make sounds through you, so you'll feel where the sounds are coming from. It maybe takes a little practice to get used to allowing those sounds to be made through you. But if you do so, then you'll find that the changes take place more rapidly. I want to just thank my friend Kim LeBay for the shirt that I'm wearing. He does the artwork and then he puts it on shirts, and it's a little wild, so I don't typically wear it around my wife because it's kind of overstimulating for her, I think. But I like it a lot. It's like some little alien creature or something. All right, here we go with the sounds. Feel free to make these sounds as I do. We're going to start off with the sound of the healing center of the earth. The healing center of the healing power of the One. Sound of the deep self. Higher self. Highest self. Sound of the root chakra. Sounds of the body battery, the Dantian. Sound of the kidneys and the release of fear. Sound of the intestines and the sound of the intestines and the release of worry. Liver and the sound of anger. Lungs and grief. Returning to the sound of the deep self. sound of the heart. Okay, some morning sounds for healing. May they serve you well. And namaste. Oh, and there's Kim's artwork on a shirt.